This is a brand new 2014 GMC Yukon. This SUV has a 6-speed automatic transmission, a 6.2-liter V8, and all-wheel drive. Features include a DVD player, a low tire pressure indicator, cruise control, an unattended headlight warning chime, air conditioning, steering wheel mounted controls, fog lamps, a rear parking aid, a keyless entry system, and the navigation system will help you get from point A to point B on time. This automobile won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Beck & Maston GMC Buick North is located at 11300 FM 1960 West in Houston. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.